Let me show you how to make this beautiful centerpiece using a hoop. So with that said, let's just start. So I'm going to take one of this metal circle and I'm going to cut it in half like that, and then go ahead and take this with a craft like little circle, just place it inside like that all around it. Then I'm going to take this floral foam, I'm going to place it inside, just attach it with more floral foam on top, spray paint it in gold, and then place your flower all the way around it. Here you could do any color that you guys would like. Then I'm going to take this garland and place it in the middle, and this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Something so cute and easy for you guys to do. So I got this tray from Dollar Tree before and I spray painted in white. It comes in different colors. As you can see, I spray painted just to do another DIY video, but then you could just spray paint any color that you guys are doing. Then after that, I took this floral foam. I'm going to just measure it to see if it fit. If it doesn't, just go ahead and cut the extra pieces out and then measure again to make sure it fit into place. Then once you do that, just go ahead and grab your hot glue and put a hot glue all the way around it. Make sure to put enough hot glue like I'm doing here, because you have to make sure that it attaches very good into place, because this is what's going to hold everything down. Then after you do that, I'm going to take this hoop. If you would like the link for the hoop, just comment hoops and I will send you the link straight to you. Then I'm going to measure it there to see that I'm going to take a knife and start cutting it out like that. Make sure to cut it all the way down, because it has to fit all the way inside. So then cut it, make sure it fit, and if it still doesn't fit the whole thing, even on the at the end of each end, if it doesn't fit there, you're just gonna go ahead and take the knife and start cutting it until it fits completely and good. Then once you just go ahead and take it inside and you see that it fit like that, that is all the way inside. Then after that, I'm gonna push it down a little bit, and then after I push it down, if it doesn't fit, make sure to take more thing. Just make sure it fits good. This is what's gonna hold it into place, and this is what you have to do to hold it. Then go ahead and grab hot glue. So the extra pieces that you guys have, you're going to put it inside and attach it. Make sure I'm gonna tell you so many times. Make sure to put it inside very good. Make sure to put more hot glue, and then make sure to keep putting more of this floral foam inside. This is what's gonna hold it into place. So you have to do a good job as placing it and holding it down like that. And then once you have it hold it down like that, it's ready to go to put your flower. Then I took my toothpick and I'm going to put my flower inside, and I'm just going to place a few flower all the way around it. I'm going to also use some blue, some pink at the bottom, and I'm going to just continue doing this until I do the whole flowers. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. I think this came out so beautiful, and it could be for any party decorations or any party theme that you guys are doing, or even for a baby shower. I think it would look great on it. You could just put old baby in the middle. You could also add a few balloons if you would like as well. I'm going to use balloon for the next DIY. So for the next idea, what I did was I grabbed these, four of these small balloons. These are the small one. I'm going to tie two of them together first, tie it up, and then tie the other two as well. And then go ahead and tie four of them together. Once you do that, just place it in the ring and twist it around just to hold it into place in it so it can attach into the ring like that. So I'm going to continue attaching another pair and then another one until you attach the whole thing all the way to the middle like that. Then go ahead and place your flower in the floral foam. I put a little bit of flower in the balloons as well, and then just fill it up. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. I think it looks so amazing, and I think you guys will like it for your next party decoration. Dollar Tree had this wine bottle holder for the fridge, but of course we're not going to use it for that. So we're going to grab two of these, put some hot glue, and attach them together like that. Then we're also going to use this love sign, but before that we're going to go ahead and spray paint it in whatever color you guys are doing. And then I'm going to spray paint the sign in gold and the container in white like that. Then after that, I'm going to take my sign and put some hot glue all around it until I do the whole thing. And then I'm going to attach it to the middle like that. So then once you attach to the middle, I'm going to take a little bit of rhinestone and place it right there in the love sign. I'm going to take my floral foam and attach it inside. Then I took a hula hoop that I used for the thing and I cut it in half and I spray painted it in gold. Then I'm going to put some hot glue and then just attach it to the floral foam like that so it can stay into place. Then I'm going to take some greenery, place it inside all the way around it just to fill out the whole thing. And I'm also going to take these small little flowers and big flowers and just go ahead and fill it up however you guys are doing it, whatever flower you guys are using it. And I think it will look great on any flower. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is so simple, so easy, and I think it will look great. You can also put the string lights around it and also on the flower, and I think it also looks great. So I'm gonna take one of these hula hoop rings and I'm going to spray paint them in black. And then after I spray paint it in black, I'm gonna cut it in the middle and halfway. Then after I cut it with a knife, which is pretty simple to do, I'm gonna take this frame that I got on time from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna take this long floral foam. So make sure to put a lot of hot glue all the way around it, and then just attach it to the center like that. Then after that, I'm going to take my hula hoop and I'm going to place it inside on each side like that, and then just put some hot glue. So make sure to put the hot glue before you place it inside. Then I'm going to take this balloon stick and I'm going to place it in there just to measure to see how big I want it and where I want it to be. So then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. But I'm going to take another one because we're going to need 2 pieces to hold down the Minnie Mouse teddy bear. So after you cut it out, and it's the same, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to attach it to the floral foam like that. Then I'm going to take another one and do the same thing, attach it in the other side. And then I'm going to place the Minnie Mouse on top like that. You can also place it inside the dress and the skirt so it can hold it down, or you could just put one like that and tie it around to the stick. It's up to you. Then go ahead and grab your flower and attach it all the way around it, and make sure to put some hot glue to attach it into place better. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so cute that you guys can do at home. And the good things is that it's not that expensive, and you can do it for any party theme decoration. Just switch the Minnie Mouse to wherever thing you guys are doing, or switch the flower, and I think it looks great. Now for the next idea, because we got to do something else like always, I'm gonna take spray paint the hula hoops in gold this time, and then I'm gonna take some little branches and leaves and place it all the way around it like that. Just make sure to put it with a stick, with a toothpick, and then do the same thing for the flower. Just attach it with a toothpick all the way around it like that. And then after you attach all your flower, I'm gonna take one of these little long flower that comes like that in colors. They have different colors in Dollar Tree, and then you're just gonna go ahead and wrap it around. In here, to wrap it around, make sure you attach a little bit of the flowers with hot glue, because it's a little bit hard to attach it with a branch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take another little branch and I'm just gonna place it up to the middle. So I'm just gonna do it on one side in the middle. Then I'm gonna grab small flowers because I didn't like the gap in between, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it like that until I fill it up with cute little flowers. You can also put butterfly ears around them. I used this picture frame before. I'm just going to switch the color. I did this in the other video, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. Then I'm going to take the flower out, put a candle holder stick, attach it with hot glue around it, and then place it inside, and then just attach it. Just press it down so it can attach, and then go ahead and put some hot glue on top, and then attach the picture frame on top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is the simpler way, just like that. If you don't want it to add the number of the table, and this is with the number of the table, you decide which one you would like to do. I think both of them are great. Please let me know down in the comment which one you like. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please do not forget to share, like, and comment. And thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.